Meaning of internal market.
Internal market.
Internal market.
Internal market.
Internal market. The term internal market generally refers to a system of free movement of goods, services, capital, and people within a specific geographical region or economic zone. This concept is often associated with the European Union, which has established an internal market among its member states, but it can also apply to other regions or countries. The purpose of an internal market is to create a level playing field for businesses and consumers alike, as well as to increase competition and promote economic growth. By removing barriers to trade and investment, such as tariffs, quotas, and regulatory differences, an internal market can enhance efficiency and productivity, boost innovation, and provide consumers with greater choice and lower prices.